Boom, pals up. Here we are again. We have the Eufy, like Roomba robot
Eufy?
vacuum.
Eufy or Eufy?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. But whatever it is.
It's spelled E-U-F-Y.
It was like, what, $179 on Amazon?
Yeah.
And the Roomba vacuum cleaners are like $300, $400.
Because they're better.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
They have really good reviews.
These do, or?
They do. And the reason why I'm deciding to get this is because in between vacuumings, we have really bad allergies and little dogs and cats, and we need
That are the cause of them.
Yeah, we need to have something that's going like in between. And also, I can't wait to see our cat riding on top of it. I've seen those.
Yeah,
videos.
that always works
So
for our
cute.
animals. They're just so adorable.
Looks like it has a little on and off
They'll do
button.
exactly like it shows on the other movies.
This looks like the docking station. I don't know what these are, but I've seen they come with two of them. And there's, I guess, the little spinners.
Sweepy brooms.
Here's a remote. This comes where you can clean it out. Comes with a filter and a plug. Alright, so we're going to read the directions a little bit, open things up, and
Get it running.
yep.
Alright, basically you just take one of these and you snap them on. These are extras. We've already done them. All they do is
Yeah.
snap right on.
But I'm not sure how you
They're hard to
snap
get
them.
off once they're on there.
And then I put the
And
batteries in the
Turn it
remote.
on. And then we got to set up the little base. Next, they want you to put the base down where it has 1.5 feet on each side, total of 3 feet of space up against the wall. It's charging up, and it'll turn blue whenever it's done charging.
Alright. Okay, so they give you an extra filter, and they give you extra of these little things we already said. And then this right here is where you're gonna take out your dirt. And
When you open it, you want to have it open the other way. Well, that's
like
the way
that.
you open it. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can
Don't let it fall out that hole though.
so you can dump it. And this is where you can replace your filter
But it's on the outside there.
when you
See
need.
it?
Oh yeah, you have to pop it open like that to
There's a
change that
filter in
filter.
Now let's take it back on the charger.
Yeah. Oh, and these are little. If you have stairs or
There's
like
barriers for the stairs.
yeah, they're magnets, and it is a sensor that goes off. I guess probably these.
So anywhere
things.
you don't want it to go, you can pretty much line that on the floor and it will avoid it.
Yeah, but we don't have any drop-offs here. We're on a flat surface, so we don't have to use these. These are just for tying up your cords if you need to. They're just little zip ties that came extra. And then I guess they give you this little brush so you can clean that out
Clean the filter.
and clean the filter. Yep. All right, so we're going to charge it. These little metal things right here, they line up to that right there. So whenever you go to put it on, there we go. So now it's charging. And here's the remote.
Oh, that's one of those little brushes I see on the floor. I was wondering what that was. Doesn't know where the base is.
What?
Me? Trying to turn.
Get a bunch of fingerprints on it, but that's okay. Sounds like
Something batting around in there.
I love how it gets up underneath things.
Oh, it changed direction under there. I was expecting it to come out over there.
It's lowered in the kitchen. See how it's stopping the.
I think it has little sensors that, like radars or something. You can see where it's been running around in here. Get up underneath the bird cage. Roll around my junk. That sounded bad.
It's wonderful underneath the bird cage because
Yeah.
that bird is constantly getting seeds everywhere. Well, we can use the remote for it to go back to the home.
I'll just record it until it goes back home. Ah, under the chair, look at that. Bumpy. Doesn't know where home is.
Stuck. Gotta figure out how to get out of there.
There you go. Nope, nope, the other way.
I have to help it out.
I thought you told it to go home.
I did. I don't know what it's doing. Gotta figure out how to turn around. Oh no.
It'll be under there for a long time. Maybe it is gonna go home. There's the home over there. Up under the couch.
That's good though.
Oh, my shoes are in the way. It's way back in this corner.
That's good though, because it's getting all those places I can't get.
Yeah. Yeah, the orange means it's running out of batteries. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was gonna go. Darn it.
I think it's trying to find its way back to the base.
Yeah, yeah. It's like, oh, I need a recharge. Go home.
Oh, that's an idiot.
Back under that couch. Oh no, it's coming out over here. Here it is.
Oh, does it get a box?
I don't know. Oh, no. One under this couch now.
That's not me loving it.
Yeah, it's got some
See all those
more to
lines
do.
in the carpet though, boys doing a good job.
Yeah, it's still got some battery left in it. Oh, it didn't want to go that way. It just went in the bathroom and stopped.
It usually don't do that.
It usually it docks.
Okay, so it's been running. We've had this for a week now, and I really love it.
Oh, it looks like it's
Really
stuffed
full.
up.
Yeah.
All the trash in there.
Nice.
Wow, that's pretty neat.
Yeah, it really cleans really well. And then this gets,
Hair in it.
yeah, so you can take this out and just pop it out, and you can take your pair of scissors or that little tool that they give you and just trim it and pull it off. But it's been getting hair caught in it every time. But we have, you know, how many animals?
4 dogs, 3 cats.
Yeah, 4 little dogs and 3 cats and a bird too. So.
Feathers.
So I give this 5 stars. Boom,
And we
thumbs
like it.
up.
Boom, pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.
Sure.